Hey guys, welcome back to another week of house hunting with Rochielin. We're gonna be viewing some houses and apartments in Kingston, Jamaica today. Of course, I'm gonna take you guys on the journey, but before we start, I want to address a couple of points. One, guys, remember, if you see anything that you're interested in this video, remember to email me at rochielin.business@gmail.com. 2, please ensure that you are subscribed to the channel and turn the post notification on so that you can get the alert as soon as I post. I notice a lot of persons are emailing me long after the video or the houses are posted, and just know that houses go by very quickly, so you have to catch them like on the same day the video is posted or maybe a day or two later, but not a month later, because inevitably those will be gone. Okay, so if you're house hunting, you especially make sure that the post notification is on, and that's that bell beside the subscribe button. Alright, so just remember those things, and before we continue, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social media pages at Rochielin. And without further ado, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! So this is the kitchen area. There's cupboard. There seems to be a water drum here, and of course kitchen cupboard up top as well. And then this door leads to the wash area. From the kitchen is the living room. And balcony, which there's a tank on the balcony, and then it overlooks the road, the main road. So there's a lot of noise coming from the main road, so if you don't mind that, then what's making that sound? The pump? Can I make that sound all day? Oh, okay. So bedroom number 1. No closets, so you'd have to take your own furniture for closet. Bathroom here, and bedroom number 2, also no closet, so you'd have to take your own closet. So that apartment just now is 2 bed, 1 bath for $60,000. It doesn't include any utilities. The area is not bad. It's off Dunrobin Avenue in Kingston. However, you're literally facing the side of the road, so you'll be hearing all the traffic. Well, I heard all the traffic as we were there viewing, as you guys would have probably heard in the clips. So that's one thing to bear in mind, that you're going to hear the vehicular movement The rooms are a little bit small, and as noted, there are no closets, so if you're moving in, you definitely have to take your closet. And considering that the room is already small, the closet will take up most of the room already. So you definitely can't carry a king bed, but maybe a double bed or a twin bed or some smaller with a closet. Maybe a queen size could cut it, but definitely not a king. So if you have a king, don't bother. The complex on the out, I've never been in there before, but going in there now, on the outside it's not bad looking. I see they're doing a lot of works, they're painting up, and it looks pretty much well kept. There's a security guard at the gate and all of that. They have a water tank on the balcony for when water is gone, so that's a plus, because we all know the struggles in Kingston right now with the shortage of water, with lack of rain. So that's always good to have a water tank. I think that's it from me. What do you think?
Yes, I think that if you really have to move, go for it.
But if you're not
look for something else, because as Rochelle said, the rooms are very small. There's no closet.
Yeah.
If you have a big bed and you want to roll over by a big bed, you can't roll in another room there.
So yeah, but you know, I know there are persons out there that don't have a lot of furniture and don't need a lot of space, so it would work for you. Just bear in mind that it doesn't have very modern fixtures, as you would have seen, but you can make do with what you may do with, you know, in a bad. So email me rochielin.business@gmail.com. Let's go. Living room. Kitchen. And storage above. Okay. And as for stove, is electric stove on there? I use gas stove? Okay. Oh, it's a good size bedroom too. And a decent size closet. Oh, AC unit. Does the AC work? Yes.
No, maybe from morning.
Yeah, well, to them. And then this is the bathroom to the bedroom. Does it come in this closet?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello. So then this is the balcony area to one of the bedrooms. So this is the outside laundry area. This is the pipes, and the washing machine is through that door. And the lines to hang your clothes toward the sides and the back. So this is the outside. So that unit that we just viewed is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's off Hagley Park Road. It comes with water included in the rent. And the rent is $75,000. It also comes with security, Hawkeye security included in all of that. So really all you'd be paying is light bill and your internet bill in addition to your rent. When I thought of Hagley Park Road, I was a little bit skeptical because, you know, I'm used to other areas. But coming around here, honestly, it's just like, wow, I've never been to this side, you know, and I'm actually impressed, and it's a decent area. So overall, I think it's not a bad property. The place is well kept. It's inside a complex, and it's quite secure, especially the fact that they give you the Hawkeye security included in your rent. You know, what do you think?
It's good. They try, considering that it is half of Hagley Park Road. It's a really quiet area. I'm really surprised at this place. I've never been here.
Yeah.
You know, and I think they really put some effort into it.
What do you think about the price? 75,000
Yeah,
for
the price,
bedroom.
yeah, no bad. I desolate for that.
No, it's not bad, but I wish it did still come down a little bit.
Yeah, it
Probably like 65. Considering, yeah, even though the area is not bad and it's residential and all, but at the end of the day, it's still off Hagley Park Road.
Maybe them put it up for tell us you get the archive free, but you don't really get the archive free. Maybe the archive you pay for.
Well, clearly. So I think I would have preferred if it was like $65,000.
Yeah, that could have cut it.
65.
Or even
would be-
60 could have cut it.
Yeah, 60, 65 would be perfect. That would be like a no-brainer. I'd definitely say, yo, whoever wanted, jump on it like nothing. But it's still not bad, because as I said, it includes the water, it includes the security. So in the whole scheme of things, it's not bad. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Send me an email, rochielin.business@gmail.com. On to the next property. So
let's go.
let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go! So this is the living and kitchen. So they're doing some repair works right now. Cabinet space for the stove and fridge. One bedroom here with a bathroom and closet. So let's go into the bathroom real quick. This is the bathtub. That's the face basin. And then the closet is here. Hello. Balcony area which overlooks another house next door. Is look like a car parts place. This is what below looks like, and there's a water park and there's a water tank that serves the complex. And it's $150 per loader.
I'm not sure.
Okay. Alright, so we just finished viewing 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom unit. It's centrally located, like very central. It's actually on a road called Central Avenue, which is in Half a Tree area, near where that Popeyes is. You guys know the only Popeyes in Half a Tree, and that's the road that it's on. So it's very central. It's 55,000. Doesn't include utilities. It's the first time that I've ever been there, and I was pretty surprised that the place is, you know, it's pretty small, the complex. So There's not a lot of units in there, which is always a plus. The inside of the unit is very bright and airy, a lot of breeze passing through, windy. The size of the bedroom is not bad. It's a regular decent sized bedroom. It have a decent sized closet. The bathroom not bad, just at the tub though. The tub needs to be changed. So the kitchen, the tub done out. The kitchen appliance or the kitchen cabinetry is a little bit old school, but it's workable, and the space in itself is not bad. And for $55,000, I think it's a good space considering the location. Like, it's really not bad. What do you think?
Yeah.
You think yeah?
Really, yes, it can work.
It can work in the area. So if you guys are interested, you know what to do. I don't even need to say it, but send me an email, rochielin.business@gmail.com, and I will forward the information to you. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So this is living room. That leads into the kitchen, and there's a little dining table right here, and the kitchen counter. There's a little bathroom off to the side here with a toilet. It's a half bathroom, and then the entrance to the kitchen is here. The fridge will be removed. The stove will not be removed, right? Cabinet space. More cabinet space. Kitchen. And it's 2 bedrooms, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Room purple though. Boy, I know Jamaicans love them bright color, yeah, the boy.
The color that takes up your,
Oh, I can have the option to change the color?
Yeah, when you change it on your expense.
Okay.
If you want to change it, you can. That's not a problem for you.
Okay. Bedroom number 1. Closet is over here, and there's a safe in the closet. And it comes fully furnished with the furniture that you're seeing right here. So this is a bathroom counter, toilet, bathtub, and then there's a sunroof. And then bedroom number 2. And then closets again. That's the closet space, and then storage on top. Okay.
Backyard just needs a clean up, so that's the don't worry about that.
Oh, the backyard will be clean. A mango tree.
Nice size backyard, and it leads to the park. So it's just cleaning up on the thing.
Yeah, there's a cat. Look. I'm saying there's a little kitty. So what happens when water gone? Is there a water tank?
There's a water tank on top.
On the roof? Okay, great.
So you have a water heater, you have a water tank. Alright. Yeah. When you look around so far, see what is here.
Yeah.
Alright, you have a washing machine. Alright, so right, the washing machine. That's one thing I'm thinking about removing this fridge. I think the fridge, based on the size, and it's there locked up. Because I was planning to rent it out long ago, but based on what's happening with the COVID, I didn't want to really do
any major things.
But it's not bad. It's a nice little, depending on what you want it for. It's a nice little thing.
And how is the community?
It's not bad, it's cool. I mean, it's a location we used to be at. It's not bad. If you realize it's quiet. But just like any other community, though, you have the little things nearby, but that doesn't.
Or the parties.
But,
the UE party.
The good thing about it is that like the community also, they don't work 24 hours based upon the expense you pay in security, but they work 12. So the security will start to be effective from around, say 8 o'clock.
Sorry.
Up until 9.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you found it helpful. If you're interested in getting any of these properties, remember to send me an email at rochielin.business@gmail.com. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I'll see you in next week's video.